In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access a VAT report on your Freeagent account. First, make sure you're logged in to your Freeagent account. Open your web browser and go to the usual Freeagent login page. Enter your login details and sign in as you normally would. It's best to do this on a desktop or laptop because the layout is clearer and you'll be able to see more information on the screen at once. Once you're logged in and you're on your main dashboard, look towards the top of the screen for the main navigation menu. Here, you'll see several tabs that let you move between different areas of your accounts. Find the tab labeled VAT and click on it. This is where Freeagent organizes everything related to your value-added tax, including current and historical returns. After you click on the VAT tab, you'll be taken to a page that lists your VAT returns. You should see a series of VAT periods, usually displayed by date. Take a moment to identify the specific VAT return you want to look at. This might be the most recent return you've submitted, or a previous period you need to review for your records or for an audit. Once you've found the correct VAT return in the list, click on that entry to select it. This will open up the details for that particular VAT period. Here you'll see the overall figures, but to really understand what's going on, you'll want to view the full report. To do that, look for the option that says Show Report. Click on this tab or button. Freeagent will now generate a complete breakdown of all the transactions that are included in that VAT return. This is where you can see exactly how the totals were calculated. Take your time to scroll through this report. You'll see individual invoices, bills, expenses, and any other transactions that have VAT applied. This is useful for double-checking entries, answering questions from your accountant, or keeping a clear audit trail. If something doesn't look right, you can note down the transaction details and go back to the relevant area in Freeagent to investigate further. And that's all there is to it. By logging in, heading to the VAT tab, choosing the correct VAT return, and clicking Show Report, you can quickly access a detailed VAT report whenever you need it.